Hi everyone, welcome to Maya's channel and today is cooking video and welcome to my cooking video. Now today I'll come up with a new recipe. It's very unique. As we all know, oil fry, deep fry are not good for health. That's the reason I'll come up with some solution. So this is flitters, or we can say masala chana vada. I've taken 1 cup split chickpeas and I've soaked it for 4 hours. And I have put some red chilli, dried red chillies, 10, and I've taken 1/4 cup moong dal, split moong dal, and I just washed it, I didn't soak it. Now I have to go for grinding this. I'm adding 1.5 spoon salt. I've blended chickpeas, soaked chickpeas. The water has to be drained. It has to be less water, as minimal as possible. Now mix up add 1/2 spoon cumin seeds and mix it well. Cover it and keep it for half an hour. We need some oil to shallow fry, and we need these special pans. This is called gunta pongul pan, or you can even try on the flat skillet, or you can even bake it. There are so many options. And for finishing it, we need 1/2 onion chopped into small pieces and 1 tomato chopped into small pieces, coriander chopped, and 1 green chilli. And we need some oil to shallow fry it. Let's start the dish. My batter is ready after half an hour. This looks like this. You don't see even a single drop of water. This helps to shallow fry more faster. Let's start the dish. Let's heat the pan. I'm using canola oil. You can use any oil. Drop little oil. I'm using 2 pans, but it's okay if you have 1, so that I can speed up my work. Once oil is getting heated, we need to drop 1 spoon in each. I'm starting with the middle. I'm almost finishing filling this. We need to cover with the lid and wait until it gets little bit brownish color. Now let's see. It looks done. I'm turning them. I'm dropping few drops of oil. So that you don't miss the frying, deep fry feeling. Keep it for 1 minute, then we can serve it. Let's serve this into the bowl. I like to cut with the hand. By doing this, the spices will be absorbed well. Now top up with onion, tomatoes, coriander, and few pieces green chilli, red chilli powder, salt, give a mix. Spicy snack is ready. If you like the video, share with your friends, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.